Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you the first-person view flight test video of the MT11. The UniPod MT11 is a professional mini quad-sensor AI gimbal camera, integrating a wide-angle camera, zoom camera, thermal imaging camera, and laser rangefinder, making it suitable for a wide variety of applications. The wide-angle camera on the MT11 features an 84 degrees field of view, providing excellent visibility. Both the wide-angle and zoom cameras support 8K photography and 4K video recording. The zoom camera offers 11 optical zoom, and when combined with EIS electronic image stabilization, it allows you to see farther, clearer, and more steadily. The system is equipped with a high-precision 3-axis stabilized gimbal with angular vibration within only 0.01 degrees. Even during high-speed movement, turbulence, or complex terrain operations, the video remains smooth and stable. The zoom camera also supports EIS video stabilization, improving image steadiness at high magnifications. The infrared camera has a resolution of 640,512 and can utilize AI super resolution technology to enhance image quality. The infrared camera supports 8 digital zoom and can be linked with the zoom camera for synchronous zooming. This allows 2 different perspectives of the same scene to be displayed simultaneously, enabling operators to capture more details and quickly obtain valuable information through comparison. Both the wide-angle and zoom cameras are equipped with 1.2-inch CMOS sensors with an effective resolution of 48 MP, supporting a maximum photo resolution of 8K and a maximum video resolution of 4K. The high-resolution infrared camera offers a resolution of 640,512 and supports AI super resolution to enhance image quality. The infrared camera supports up to 8 digital zoom and can link with the zoom camera for synchronized zoom, displaying 2 different views of the same scene to capture more details and provide valuable information quickly. The MT11 is equipped with a high-precision laser rangefinder with ±1 m accuracy and a measuring range of 1,200 meters. With built-in 10 TOPS AI computing power, the MT11 delivers faster and more accurate recognition without external AI modules. It supports multi-model switching for different object recognition tasks, including visible light, thermal imaging, insulators, and region selection. The UniPod MT11 supports unlimited Y-axis rotation. Whether mounted on a multi-rotor drone, a VTOL fixed-wing UAV, an unmanned ground vehicle, or a robot, unlimited rotation compensates for the carrier's directional limitations, ensuring the camera remains locked onto the target without frequent repositioning. The quick-release mount adopts a tool-free design, allowing fast installation and removal of the payload, greatly reducing deployment time. It is also highly compatible, not only supporting the MT11 but also backward compatible with SOI ZT30 and ZR30 gimbals. That concludes today's FPV flight test of the MT11. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.